Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Rahma Alia. Today I was to be host and my friend Siti Nur Ajijah was to be moderator and Sinta Pujirahayu was to be presenter. To save time, we give the program to the moderator. Please.
Okay. Good morning all. Praise our gratitude to Allah SWT for the grace in the form of health so that we can gather at this event. Don't forget to also pray and greeting may be part or to our Lord Nabi Muhammad SAW. Attenders of VCT Jabar 0902. We immediately enter the next event, which is the core event we are most waiting for, namely the exchange of material and our research person, Sinta Pujirahayu. Previously, we first introduced our search today, namely Sinta Pujirahayu, Karawang, 14 May 2004. To save time, let's start the program. To Sinta Pujirahayu, the time and place I invite.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sinta Pujirahayu. I'm from Senior High School 1 of Cikampek. I'm here to present material about eating disorder. Understand eating disorder, a problem that doesn't deserve to be a joke. In fact, what is an eating disorder? What also does this have to do with self-confidence and accept of body image? And why shouldn't it be made the object of a joke? Table of contents: 1. Tips, 2. Symptoms, 3. Cause, 4. Factor, 5. Conclusion. National Institute of Mental Health, eating disorder is not just a vague problem, but a serious mental illness. Like other mental disorders, it can lead to death. 1. Tips: anorexia nervosa. Avoiding and severely limiting or eating only certain food in very small amount. Even though the body is already underweight, people with anorexia nervosa see themselves as overweight. They are constantly chasing skinny and an intense fear of gaining weight. Bulimia nervosa. Will eat large amount or overeat, then vomit by force. Use anti-smoking, drugs, fasting, exercise, or a combination of these behaviors. Usually, people with bulimia nervosa can maintain their weight or they can be overweight. Binge eating disorder. People with binge eating disorder lose self-control over their diet. 2. Symptoms. 1. Symptoms of anorexia nervosa. Starting from thinning bones, osteoporosis, brittleness and hair, to infertility, brain damage, to multi-organ fissure. 2. Symptoms of bulimia nervosa: short-term tooth, tooth decay, severe dehydration, and electrolyte imbalance that can lead to a stroke or heart attack. 3. Symptoms of binge eating disorder: It, la- it, it large portions in a 2-hour period. Eat when you are full or when you are not hungry. Eat quickly to avoid embarrassment, feeling depressed and embarrassed from eating. 3. Cause: biological, psychological, development, sociocultural. 4. Factor: biological, heredity and neurobiology; physiological, body kinesthesia. A person assesses the satisfaction of his body according to ideal body construction; and personality traits, impulsivity, perfectionism; development, childhood sexual violence; sociocultural, Western cultural influences. 5. Conclusion: Psychologist Melissa J. Perrow said, "Teasing someone for their weight is unacceptable. If people find out the long-term impact of bullying, I hope they will think twice about their word. Even loving jokes again or an overweight family member can be dangerous." Glossarium: underweight or overweight, underweight, the right weight, overweight, or obesity. Purgative medicine to treat constipation. Electrolyte imbalance: electrolytes are found in the blood, body fluids, and urine in human. Neurobiology: the study of the brain and all nerve functions has evolved into neuropsychiatric and neurobehavior. Impulsivity or perfectionist: impulsivity, problem with emotional self-control. Perfectionist: a view that is owned by a perfectionist who believes that one must be perfect. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright. Thanks to Sinta Pujirahayu. For the audience, we invite you if you have anything to ask. Thank you for intensity. Are there any tips and tricks to prevent us from falling into an eating disorder? Please ask Sinta to have her question anyways.
Enough. Thanks to intensity for the question. The answer is increase self-confidence and awareness that loving yourself is important. Adopt a healthy diet. If you feel stressed, don't be emotional to food. Stop talking feel the diet. Thank you.
Next, Anissa Rosmiati. How to cultivate self-confidence? Please ask Sinta to have her question.
Enough. Thanks, Anissa Rosmiati, for the question. The answer is do these two things to yourself. First, do not compare yourself with others. Second, Learn to respect yourself more. Thank you.
Next, Anissa Rosmiati. How are the majority of people with eating disorder are teenagers? Please ask Sinta to have her question answered.
Enough. Thanks, Anissa Rosmiati, for the question. The answer is because adolescence is a period of transition and the formation of identity, so that the formation of body image is still affected. Thank you.
So, so the conclusion of the material this time is to match someone for their weight is something that can never be achieved if people find out the long-term impact of willing. I hope they will think twice about the words even love jokes against an overweight family member can be dangerous. We return the program to our host Rahma Alia.
Thanks to moderator. Um, that is the achievement of today's material. I hope this event is useful for all of us. Thank you for coming. We are sorry if there is an error and even whatever international, intentional or international. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Please
warahmatullahi
fill
wabarakatuh.
please fill in the time site time sheet first. Thank you.